my bullion dealer says, sell this and put it into these. This is a perfect example of what your dealer knows and what you don't know. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. They're giving away 20 Eagles. It's a great contest. You should be the next winner. Take home that silver. Your dealer knows that even though everyone is screaming from the rooftops, I include myself in this, feeling like silver is dead. It's been a full year where the price of silver, the word stagnant, doesn't even paint the picture. We've been hovering at $32 to $33 an ounce for a full year now. So yes, many feel that silver is dead. What your dealer is noticing, well, two things. First, there has been serious dips and an increase in the value of silver. Even from January 2025 till today, silver has actually increased 13%. In January, the spot price of silver was hovering at $30 an ounce, and now we're up above 33, about 33, 40 cents. That's where we're at. So that's a 13% increase. The other part that your dealer notices is this extreme silver to gold ratio works for stackers and for dealers. Any extreme, whether it's a tight extreme, meaning 33 ounces of silver will get you 1 ounce of gold, or a wide extreme like we have presently, where 1 ounce of gold will get you at least 100 ounces of silver. Those are the extremes, and it works in our favor. So your dealer is not sitting back at their local shop, biting their nails, wondering why aren't stackers coming in? How am I going to run my business? They're not doing that. In fact, they're swapping out full ounces of gold, and they're getting at least 100 ounces of silver. Then they could sell those for their premium and keep it all. Whereas previously, and I'm talking about 2, 5, 10 years, that this past decade, your dealer was typically relying on you and I as stackers to cash out some silver. We bring it in. They determine whether or not they could swap that silver, flip it to another stacker on a local level, and do their math and try to figure out what the buyback will be so they could get some profit, and what they could flip it for, get some profit for that premium that they sell it for, all that. They're not doing that. They're keeping it simple. And that's what you and I, as stackers, we should be doing this. We should be keeping it simple. If we have 1 ounce of gold, swap it out at this extreme wide ratio. Get ourselves all of that silver without paying the premium. Those of you who, like me, were waiting for that, following that $10 rule, waiting for the $10 jump to happen again like we saw a year ago, it will happen. But while we're waiting, why sit and follow the old rules? Why pick up silver, spending sometimes $2 over spot, another $2 for taxes, and then if we cash it out, losing on a buyback, it could be another $2. That's $6 we need to clear. Why do all that? And this is what dealers know. They know that. So they use that ratio in their favor. And you and I as stackers, this is exactly what we should be thinking like dealers. We have to get that mindset. Get rid of that old thought process of looking at the taxes and the premiums and walking in the door and will they flip my silver to wholesaler, or like all that stuff. It's gone. We should be doing exactly what dealers are doing. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. It's free. 20 American Silver Eagles every month. They're giving it away. You should be the next winner. Get in on that, and I'll see you in the next video.